Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. This video is about grow lights. One of the most important things when you are starting your seeds indoors is to provide your seedlings with light. They need enough light for them to grow. And this year, I underestimated the amount of seedlings that I am growing, and I only have a small shelf that has a couple of lights, and then I realized that it's not enough. So after I saw all of the seedling trays that I got and I up potted some of them, I realized that it is time to get a new set of grow lights, and I am so happy with this one that I got. I'm gonna show you. You see it's so bright in here. It's actually super duper bright because I turned on all of these lights, and I realized that my old lights are kind of a little bit dim compared to this new LED light. So let's take a look at this, guys. Here it is, my expanded seedling grow station. So this shelf was the original grow station that I have, and I've been using this for 3 to 4 years, I believe. And as we can see, we have a bunch of plants in here, or some seedlings I'm growing, bunch of tomatoes. These are also all tomatoes right here. Look at that. So some or many of these tomato seedlings have started growing their true leaves, and so I was like, I really need some more room for them. And okay, so these are also tomatoes. I planted this last Sunday, I believe. So by this weekend, this will be ready. We have a bunch more in here. I'm so glad I have room in the bottom of this shelf. And then this is the new one. Look at that. These lights are very bright. The top shelf has jalapeno peppers. So all of these are jalapeno peppers. I think I have like 122 of them. And then right here, I have a flat of sweet banana peppers. And then this is half eggplants, half peppers, but only the eggplants have sprouted. Now, these are all basil. These ones in here are the sweet Italian basil. The dark opal basil's not doing good. I have a few of them that have sprouted. And then these are the cinnamon basil and the Genovese basil. Nothing germinated yet. And then right here, these are some herbs. That's the deal. The rest of them, well, the peppermints have started growing. See that? They're still very tiny though. They just started sprouting. And then down here, we have the brassicas, cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli. I also put Swiss chard in here and some kale. And then a lot more basil in this 3 seedling trays. So guys, don't forget, if you are planting a lot of seedlings and if you're like growing them indoors and the weather is still a little bit cold for those summer plants, a grow light is very important, and you need to provide adequate lighting for your young seedlings. So far, this is the most useful project that I have done for my garden this year. I hope I'm not gonna need another shelf because I don't think I can get another shelf, but hopefully I can move some of these plants to my unheated greenhouse so that I can make some more room in here for some more little seedlings that I will grow. Well, that's gonna be all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.